Hi, this is the Motorola Moto E7 Power, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel, and here you'll see all of the available options. If you wanna add here new options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons, you should click here to this edit icon, and here you'll see this down section with invisible options. To add these options to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section by this way. If you wanna just remove them from here, by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to the down. To reset the changes, just click here to these three dots and tap to reset. To save the changes, go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.